Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to create Instagram account. Now, first up, I will log out from this account to give you guys an idea of how you can create a new account. Once I've logged out of this account, this is how your screen will probably look like. Just click on this button where it says create new account, and then you can go ahead and create an account using your mobile number or your email address. For now, I'll be choosing the second option, which is the sign up with email address option. And then you can go ahead and click on next. After that, you can put in the confirmation code that you got in your email address. Once you have put in the code, it will ask you to create a password. Once that is done, you can save your login info for next time. Then you can go ahead and put up your date of birth. Once all of that is done, you can click on next and select a name. You have put your name up, you can click on next and then create a username. As you can see here, it has suggested me something. For now, I'll go with it, but you can customize it and make sure it's unique. Otherwise, you won't be able to go ahead to the next step. Then click on next, click on I agree, and then you can go ahead and put up a profile picture, do other things that you want to do. I'll quickly skip some of the steps for now. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. We have now successfully created a new account. And that is it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.